In this video, we will show you how to create and edit guidelines. The guidelines are virtual, user-added lines that are used while creating or editing a design in order to help the user align and properly position the design parts. So, when you move a design, the edges snap on the guidelines. Or while you digitize, the cursor snaps on the guidelines. Of course, you can easily hide the guidelines or disable the snapping on the guidelines. In order to add or edit the guidelines, you need to start the Guidelines tool. When this tool is turned on, the software practically starts a specific mode where the only thing you can do is draw or edit guidelines. To create one, click on a point and then drag to create the line that you want. If you drag horizontally close to 0 degrees, the software snaps to 0 to help you create a truly horizontal guideline. Likewise, you can create vertical guidelines, and if you drag diagonally, you can create diagonal guidelines. You can create as many guidelines as you like. If you place the mouse cursor on top of any guideline and click, the guideline gets selected and gets a dark shadow. Additionally, a selected guideline has a green point, which is the guideline's rotation center. Put the mouse cursor on top of the green point and click and drag to move the guideline. If you are on top of the guideline but not on top of the green point, a rotation icon appears, so if you click and drag, the guideline is rotated. You may also hold the Control key down and drag to move the guideline irrespective of the point on which you grabbed the guideline. You can also hold the Alt key down and the rotation will snap on every 30 degrees. If you hold the Shift key down, the rotation will snap on every 15 degrees. You can also define the position and rotation of the guideline using specific numeric values. So, if you set rotation to 0, you get a horizontal line. If you set to 90, you get a vertical guideline. The X and Y values define the position of the green point. You can delete the selected guideline if you just press the Delete key.